Today, we're diving into a topic that a lot of you have been asking about: how to transfer your Amazon gift card balance to your bank account. If you've ever wondered how to turn those gift cards into cash, you're in the right place. Before we get started, let's check your Amazon gift card balance. Head over to Amazon and log into your account. Now click on Accounts and List. You can do this via tapping on your account. Now here find your gift card balance. Now here's the thing, Amazon does not allow you to directly transfer your gift card balance to a bank account, so you'll need to get a bit creative. So let's go through a few options. One popular method is to use a payment service like PayPal. You can buy something on Amazon using your gift card and then sell that item for cash through platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Another option is to use gift card exchange websites. Sites like Card Cash or Reeze allow you to sell your Amazon gift card to cash. Remember, always use reputable sites to avoid scams, read reviews, and check the policies before selling your gift cards. So, while you can't directly transfer your Amazon gift card balance to your bank account, these options will help you turn that balance into cash. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.